My uncle never touched a protein powder in his life. He was strong into his late 70s. Not gym strong, functional strong. The kind where he'd carry things, fix things, move through his day without thinking twice about whether his body would cooperate. And when I asked him once what he ate, he listed seeds. Just seeds he'd grown up eating, things his mother kept in the kitchen, things nobody sells in a shiny container with a scoop inside. I didn't think much of it then. I do now. Because what I found when I actually looked into the research on 3 specific seeds completely changed how I think about muscle after 75. The protein is there. The minerals are there. And one of them fixes something that whey protein doesn't even know exists. The reason your body stops absorbing the protein you're already eating. 3 seeds. Pennies per serving. All the studies are linked in the description. Drop a comment. Did anyone in your family use seeds as actual medicine or nutrition growing up? I want to know. Let's get into it. Number 3. Hemp seeds. Think back to the television sets we had in the 70s. You had to physically walk over to the heavy wooden console and turn the dial. If you were slightly off the station, the entire screen filled with static and snow. Your body is doing the exact same thing right now. Chronic low-grade inflammation is the static in your aging body. It is one of the primary reasons muscle rebuilding slows down so dramatically after you pass 75. Your body is spending its precious and limited recovery resources managing that constant internal inflammation rather than directing those resources toward actual tissue repair. It cannot hear the signal to build muscle because the inflammatory noise is simply too loud. You have to clear the static first. Hemp seeds do exactly that. You might associate them with the counterculture movements of the late 60s, but modern clinical science paints a completely different picture. They're one of the only plant foods on Earth containing all 9 essential amino acids in a single serving. And they do it in a form that digests far more easily than most people expect from a tiny seed. Just 3 tablespoons delivers around 10 grams of complete protein. More importantly, it delivers a near-perfect 3-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. This ratio matters deeply for your aging muscle tissue. The omega-3 fatty acids found inside these seeds, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, directly reduce the inflammatory environment in your muscle tissue. The static clears. The signal gets through. This means the high-quality protein the hemp provides actually arrives in a body ready and willing to use it. A clinical investigation from the University of Manitoba Faculty of Agricultural and Food Sciences looked into this. Published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, this study analyzed the amino acid profile and digestibility of hemp seed protein. The results should have been front-page news. The researchers found a protein digestibility-corrected amino acid score comparable to pure egg white. That is a gold standard almost no plant protein ever achieves. Most plant-based proteins are locked behind tough fibrous walls. Your digestive tract works overtime just to extract a fraction of the nutrients. Hemp seeds bypass that barrier entirely. For a senior who struggles with heavy meals or has a naturally reduced appetite, this is nothing short of a dietary miracle. You don't need to force down another massive piece of dry chicken breast. 3 tablespoons stirred smoothly into your morning yogurt or a warm bowl of oatmeal is a completely frictionless way to add complete bioavailable protein without feeling overly full. You buy them whole so they are soft and easy to chew. Store them in the refrigerator to protect those fragile omega-3 oils from going rancid. You just sprinkle them in and let the amino acids get to work fighting the inflammation that whey powder completely ignores. Many people in their late 70s tell me they wake up feeling stiff and heavy. They blame their age. They blame the wear and tear of a life well lived. But the truth is they are simply undernourished at a cellular level. Their muscles are starving while their stomachs are full. Hemp seeds bridge that gap. They establish the crucial foundation of complete bioavailable protein. This creates the curiosity and the biological baseline needed to carry you into the far more medically significant items that follow. But protein alone will never save your strength without the proper structural infrastructure. Quick pause, hit like and subscribe if this is landing. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds. A recent analysis from the NIH Office of Dietary Supplements confirmed a terrifying reality for anyone trying to stay strong in their later years. Magnesium deficiency haunts over 50% of adults over 70. This missing mineral independently predicts faster muscle strength decline. We obsess over protein shakes while completely ignoring the micronutrient infrastructure that determines whether any of that protein can actually be converted into physical muscle. Pumpkin seeds fix this infrastructure overnight. They are the most protein-dense seed by weight available in any local grocery store today. Just 28 grams provides a solid 9 grams of protein. But the protein quantity is absolutely not the reason they earn the second position on our list today. It is what they carry alongside that protein that no synthetic whey powder can ever match. They are packed with heavy concentrations of magnesium, zinc, and manganese. These three specific minerals directly address the most common micronutrient deficiencies driving age-related muscle loss. Think of magnesium as the vital oil in the engine of a classic 1968 muscle car. Without that oil, the parts grind and seize. Magnesium is required for muscle contraction and relaxation at the most basic mechanical level of your biology. When you lack adequate magnesium, your muscle fibers simply cannot fully relax after they contract. This creates that persistent aching tension and those brutal nighttime leg cramps that so many seniors just accept as a normal depressing part of aging. It is not normal. It is a deficiency. Zinc plays an equally critical role in a completely different way. Zinc is the essential cofactor your body requires to produce something called insulin, like growth factor 1. This is the primary biological signal that tells your muscle tissue to grow and repair after physical stress. By the time you reach 75, your natural IGF-1 levels have dropped significantly from their peak. Zinc insufficiency accelerates that downward spiral even further. A brilliantly designed randomized controlled trial from Selçuk University in Turkey demonstrated this perfectly. Published in Neuroendocrinology Letters, researchers found that simple zinc supplementation in older men who were deficient completely restored their IGF-1 levels and significantly increased their testosterone. The effect was driven almost entirely by correcting the underlying deficiency rather than dumping excess synthetic supplements into the body. That means whole food sources like pumpkin seeds hit the biological target with absolute precision. The NIH analysis also verified that food-based magnesium corrects the deficit far more sustainably than isolated pills because of the natural cofactor matrix present in real whole foods. You want to buy them raw and unsalted. Toss a handful into a hot, dry skillet for 3 minutes just to release their natural oils and crack their tough outer shells slightly. You can eat them as a midday snack or blend them into a smoothie. They escalate our argument from simple protein delivery to the complex mineral infrastructure your body desperately needs. This is where you finally start to understand that muscle loss after 75 is not just a protein problem. It is a critical mineral problem that your expensive whey powder completely ignores. Do you remember the victory gardens people used to grow? The soil back then was rich. The vegetables pulled out of the earth were loaded with natural magnesium and zinc. Modern industrial farming has stripped our topsoil bare. The foods you eat today simply don't contain the minerals they did when you were a child. Pumpkin seeds are one of the few remaining dense pockets of these ancient earth minerals. They act as a time machine for your nutrient profile. They give your aging body the raw earth elements it needs to rebuild tissue. But none of these minerals matter if the main door to your cells remains permanently locked shut. Number 1. Fenugreek seeds. They look entirely unassuming. Small, hard, slightly bitter. Almost nobody outside of traditional South Asian cooking circles ever thinks of them as a muscle-building food. That profound unfamiliarity is exactly what makes them the single most important seed we will discuss today. Fenugreek contains a highly unique compound called 4-hydroxyisoleucine. This specific compound is found almost exclusively in this particular plant. It does something truly remarkable that no other seed on this list can accomplish. It directly improves your body's sensitivity to insulin right at the muscle cell level. This matters enormously. Insulin resistance is the gradual blunting of your body's natural response to insulin over decades. It is one of the most significant and tragically least discussed drivers of sarcopenia in older adults. Think of insulin like the neighborhood milkman from the 1950s. In your 20s, the milkman drops off the heavy glass bottles, and the muscle cell opens the door immediately to take the package of glucose and amino acids inside. By the time you hit 75, the porch is abandoned, and nobody answers the bell. When muscle cells stop responding efficiently to insulin, they simply stop absorbing nutrients from your bloodstream after meals. The high-quality protein you carefully eat just sits in circulation rather than actually entering your muscle tissue. Your muscles continue to shrink and waste away despite perfectly adequate dietary intake. It is maddening. Fenugreek addresses this exact breakdown right at the root cause. A rigorous double-blind placebo-controlled trial from the University of Mary Hardin-Baylor Department of Exercise and Sport Science proved this mechanism. Published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, researchers tracked men supplementing with fenugreek extract over an 8-week period. The results were staggering. The men showed significantly greater increases in lean body mass and massive improvements in upper and lower body strength. They also saw significantly reduced body fat compared to the placebo control group. The scientists attributed this powerful effect primarily to an improved anabolic hormone environment and enhanced nutrient uptake directly at the muscle cell. A second tightly controlled study from Indira Gandhi Medical College confirmed the exact mechanism. Published in Phytotherapy Research, they proved that the 4-hydroxyisoleucine content in fenugreek significantly improved the post-meal insulin response, specifically in older adults. It reopened the delivery channel insulin resistance had been closing for decades. It repaired the lock. Here is the trick. Whole fenugreek seeds are nearly impenetrable to human digestion. If you eat them whole, they will pass right through you like tiny stones. You must buy them pre-ground or run them briefly through an old coffee grinder yourself. The difference in true bioavailability between whole and ground fenugreek is massive. Whole seeds provide only a tiny fraction of the medicinal effect documented in the clinical research. You only need 2 teaspoons of ground fenugreek powder. Stir it vigorously into a glass of warm water or mix it directly into your food every single day. This is the exact daily dose range utilized in both major clinical studies. It costs literally pennies a day and requires absolutely zero culinary preparation. Do you remember when appliances were built to last a lifetime? You bought a refrigerator in 1965 and it ran perfectly for 40 years. Our bodies weren't built with planned obsolescence either. We just stopped giving them the correct maintenance tools. Fenugreek solves the massive foundational problem the other 2 seeds simply cannot touch. It does not just passively supply the basic building materials for muscle repair. It actively forces your aging body to actually use them. For a senior over 75, whose insulin sensitivity has inevitably declined regardless of their pristine diet quality, this is the ultimate upstream fix. It makes every single other nutritional effort you make exponentially more effective. It is the most novel and surprising item on our list today. It carries the highest revelation payoff for anyone who truly wants to reclaim their physical independence and stop watching their hard-earned muscle melt away. You don't need to accept weakness. You just need to change the locks.